This is the Zevo flying insect trap. This is the starter set here. You do one device and one cartridge. We're a repeat buyer of the Zevo insect traps. We run a property management business, so we put these in a lot of our properties. Just if there's anywhere where there's some bugs, fruit flies, anything like that, if there's like a 4-season room, anything like that, we're going to use one of these Zevo flying insect traps. And we're very pleased with them. They just do a really great job. I'm just open it up and show you what's inside here. Very easy to use. Very simple to install. See, it just opens up really nice and easy right here. This is it, basically just going to plug into the wall. And then this is going to be the outer part right here, so you're not going to see anything. And you're just going to peel off the sticker right here. You're going to get all of the bugs are going to go in here. There's going to be a light illuminated in here, so it's nice, kind of like a night light at night. So it does illuminate the room pretty nicely. It's nothing evasive or anything like that. Just a nice light, and the light does attract the insects, and it just does a really great job. So then after all the insects are filled up in here, you're just going to change out this card right here. It's just an easy change. It does come with the one cartridge in here. You do one device and one cartridge, and then you just pick up the extra cartridges for once they fill up with the insects here. But I've been using these for a long time. Zevo is a really great brand. I'm very pleased with these. They just do a really phenomenal job at collecting the insects in here without keeping unsightly here. Just this is what you're going to see right here plugged into the wall. Just does an excellent job. Very happy with the Zevo flying insect trap. Definitely want to pick these up.